Hello friends, this is a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. We're going to be replacing the spark plugs and the ignition coils, all right? So, show you. Now, it's got a 3.7 liter engine V6, okay? In order to get the first thing we want to do, we want to remove the ignition coils, okay? So it's got 3 ignition coils in this side and it's gonna have 3 in the other side. All right, so you got these are the ignition coils right here, 1, 2, and 3. What you wanna do, you wanna disconnect these connectors right here, 1, 2, 3. The way you do it, you see that they have some kind of like a tap up here. This right here, so you gotta press it and then you push up and then pull back. See? Pretty simple and pretty accessible. Okay, so next thing you want to do, you're gonna do that on all 3 of them. Remove the connector, and then you see this this nut right here. That's what holds the ignition coil down. So you're gonna go ahead, and I think there's a 10mm nut. You gotta remove that 10mm nut, like 1, 2, 3, and then the ignition coil just you just pull it up, okay? And then the spark plugs are gonna be down there. I'm gonna show you what the ignition coils look like. A second. So this is the new ignition coils we're gonna be installing. So I'm not sure once you take this ignition coil right here out, you're gonna have enough room up here, you know, to pull it up, to pull it straight up, or maybe you could like go sideways. I don't know. I'm gonna know until I take that nut off. I wanna show you here. I got the nuts out on all 3 of them. I got the connectors out, and I wanted to show you in this other side. This other side right here. See, I just used a 10mm 1/4" ratchet to get those nuts out. So now in this side right here, you can see they're pretty accessible. You see, I mean, you don't have to remove. So you got 1 coil here, you got the other coil there, and the other coil right there. So they're pretty easy access. Okay. You should have no problem replacing these spark plugs yourself. Now that you got it loose, you just gotta pull straight up. Just pull straight up. Got it. Yes, sir. Now we're gonna keep going. And so you got 2. Just pull straight up. And 3. Okay. This side. Now what I personally like to do is I like to blow like pressurized air into the spark plugs hole, you know where this goes, before removing the old spark plug, so that will take like dust or any particles that might be inside those holes. You will blow it away. So I do that. All right, now this is what I'm gonna use to get the spark plugs out. It's just as a 5/8 socket for spark plugs and some extensions. Let's see. Alright, this is what I'm gonna be using. Bosch Iridium, double Iridium spark plugs. Is the original equipment. I will do it. Now what you have to do, just install your new coils, ignition coils. This. See, get them in position. Remember that there is your start, and then go down all the way. Do the same thing with the other two. Alright, once you're gonna do the same thing with the other two in this side, remember put your 10mm nut right here to hold it in position. Don't go too tight on these ones either. Alright. Put your connector. Make sure it clicks in position. Do the other two in this side. And then repeat the process in the other side. The other three. And that's it, friends. There you got it. That's how you do your, you replace your spark plugs and ignition coils. The way your car will be running 100%, all right? All right, thank you for watching this video, friends. If you liked it, please give us some likes, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time, all right?